Hello, my name is Giancarlo Bejaran and I'm a junior in energy engineering to Pennsylvania State University. Today I'll be telling you about the economic and environmental impacts of transitioning from diesel to natural gas for heavy-duty transportation. When I first visited campus, it was particularly interesting for me to see that CATA buses were all powered by natural gas. This was different for me because when I transferred from the Dominican Republic, before I did that, I was used to seeing buses and heavy-duty transportation vehicles being powered by diesel because it was more efficient. However, natural gas has proven to be a better alternative. But what factors have led to this? If we first look at the negatives of replacing diesel with natural gas, we'll see that compressed natural gas has a lower heating value than diesel by about 6 megajoules per kilogram. Compressed natural gas also has a lower density than diesel, and both of these factors translate into requiring a bigger fuel storage. And heavy-duty diesel vehicles also give about 3.27 miles per gallon, while those of natural gas give an average 3 miles per gallon of diesel equivalent. So if we analyze the advantages now, we see that over 90% of natural gas that is consumed in the US is produced also nationally. Another advantage is that the EIA estimates that the natural gas availability it will be abundant for the next 90 years or more. The natural gas prices are also less volatile, as we can see in the table above. Typical natural gas also has a high methane composition at about 82%, while diesel is mainly long chains of hydrocarbons. This translates to burning cleaner than diesel at about a 30% reduction in emissions. In addition, natural gas is about 40% cheaper, and this trend is expected to stay this way until at least 2040. Natural gas powered vehicles also produce less than 94% less smog and 98% less noise than those vehicles powered by diesel. So we should ask ourselves now, is this profitable though? Aside from being good for the environment, for implementing this change, it is also necessary for the alternative to be economically profitable. So let's examine the following analysis to understand why CATA may have opted for the natural gas alternative. This analysis includes the cost of the vehicle plus the cost of constructing the station to refill them. What it's basically saying is that the payback time if you buy one bus will be 5 to 8 years, depending on the range of the capital costs. So after these 8 years, you will start saving money, and it could have a potential life saving of $50,000 to $80,000, depending on how long the bus runs for, given that the bus usually run for about 11 to 14 years. So because of its lower heating value, density, and consequently lower mileage, the main disadvantages of natural gas powered heavy-duty vehicles will be that it will require more fuel to do the same amount of work. It will also require a larger fuel compartment to store this quantity of energy than those of diesel, and will also have a higher initial cost. However, using compressed natural gas vehicles produces less pollution in every level. It is more economically stable due to the constant natural gas prices, and it is also cheaper because it is naturally abundant, and it is expected to remain this way for the time to come. Therefore, the environmental and economic impacts for transitioning from diesel to natural gas are overall positive. Thank you.